I'm sharing that I was a tired and exhausted woman. I found this simple, sustainable routine that's a lifestyle that my body loves. I always say I wasn't looking for Thrive. It must have been looking for me. I got off the hamster wheel of all of the fad diets and supplements that were all day, all night, wanting to just feel better. I was hooked on day one. I wasn't relying on sugar, caffeine, and carbs to get me through the day. I was sleeping soundly. I was more motivated. I was seeing results in the gym. So why would I stop? It's not normal to go to bed tired and wake up tired. It's not normal to work your butt off in the gym with no results and feeling depressed and like a failure. That's not normal. But waking up and having that energy, natural energy load in your body is a feeling we all need to experience. It's hard to comprehend and wrap my head around doing something every single morning for 10 years, but I feel it. Like, it's amazing when you give your body good premium nutrition and get healthy from the inside out. The transformation in yourself just shows. I just got my happy back, and we all need that. Hey, I'm Maggie, and Thrive is for me.